Hi friends. Rotary District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world, doing amazing work for the community. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference and make Rotary seen. There's a Givers Gain project to generate funds out of waste, which will be used to fund Rotary Foundation's various humanitarian projects. Under the Over is another initiative to beautify Mumbai and create utility spaces below all flyovers. Lots of efforts are going on towards literacy, malnutrition, health, sanitation, and other verticals. WizBiz Talks is one more initiative, a novel concept in Vision Year with an ideology to support Rotarians to support Rotary. WizBiz Talks is also to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional backgrounds. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more, to make a difference in the community. I am Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon by profession and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in 2021, and I will be your host on the WizBiz Talks. Friends, we've got a very special guest today, a Rotarian with more than a decade of experience in Rotary, a Rotarian from one of the most prestigious clubs in District 3141, that is Rotary Club of Bombay Powai. Yes, friends, she is none other than Rotarian Lata Fanmali. She's a people's person. Make sure that every member is involved in Rotary activities. By classification and into education, and she's a teacher. She wishes to increase the bonding amongst members and wants to make the club stronger than ever before. Would like to focus on removing illiteracy and hunger. She is efficient, hardworking, caring, self-disciplined, diligent, and a resourceful person. Likes helping everyone and very sincere in any and every activity she has undertaken. With a small introduction, friends, I would like to present before you Rotarian Lata Vanmali.
Thank you, Manish, for the lovely introduction. Hi, friends. Hi, fellow Rotarians. It is indeed an honor for me to talk about myself in front of all you big names in 3141 and all my Rotary colleagues.
Thank you, Lata, for your presence here. We are definitely pleased to have you on this show. Lata, we have known you and we've known Vanmali as Rotarians, and we've definitely had lots and lots of times of when we have interacted with each other. But there's so many others who are going to be listening to this show today. We would like you to tell something about yourself as a person and something about your family.
Okay, I hail from south of India. Actually, we are Tamilians, but lived in Karnataka for last 2-3 generations. So I'm more of a Karnataka person than a Tamilian person. My Kannada is very good. My Tamil is not so good. I am one of the 8 siblings, and my eldest brother completed 80 years last month, and we are a very close-knit family. And I married Vanmali 45 years back, and we have 2 sons, 3 grandsons, and both my sons have settled in America. Thank God they're all keeping well in this COVID situation. They're managing pretty well.
Lata, it was so nice to know about you, your family. This has really been one of the main things that we have understood so well now in this show, but there's lots to go now. Lata, you are an educationist, you are a teacher, and we would like to know something more about your work, the profession that you are into. Would you be able to tell us something about that?
Sure. I have done BSc and B.Ed, and I started teaching very early in my life. Actually, when I started doing B.Ed, I was not sure whether I would like the profession. It was not by choice. But once I started teaching, I really loved it. I teach maths, and actually teaching maths is my passion. I have taught for nearly 25 years in various schools all over India. And after teaching for 25 years, I changed my profession to e-learning. e-learning is a in thing. It is not a new thing, but it is now picking up even in India. I joined one company called Praxis Interactive Technologies. They are into e-learning. They used to write online lessons for American schools. So I joined them, and after I joined e-learning company, I liked that concept also so well. I added two diplomas in e-learning course, and afterwards, no looking back, I'm with e-learning company ever since, and changed a few companies. But this year, I have taken a sabbatical so that I can give my full time to Rotary.
Friends, e-learning is in today. We know that because of lockdown, everything is going online, and Lata has been into it since years and years. Even Rotary, since many years, has been promoting e-learning through various projects that it has undertaken. And I'm sure, Lata, with your profession and your backup and your experience in this field, you will definitely be supporting the initiatives of Rotary District 3141 in e-learning and many more too. Lata, this was about what you have done and excelled as a teacher, and 25 years of teaching experience means it's a huge experience, and lots and loads of knowledge and experience which can be brought to use at various places. But now comes the most important part of this interview is, why are you here today? You are here because you are going to be at the helm of affairs in one of the best clubs in Mumbai, one of the most prestigious clubs in Mumbai, and that is Rotary Club of Bombay Powai. You are going to be taking over as the president of this illustrious club, Rotary Club of Bombay Powai. And when your club members have handed over this responsibility on your shoulders, I'm sure they've seen something great and brilliant in you, that you can lead this club uh, to greater heights. You would also be definitely maintaining the name of the club, and you would have set a bar for yourself, and you would like to reach that and go beyond that too. We want you to tell us what are your plans for 2021 as president of Rotary Club of Bombay Powai, and some words of inspiration from you to all other presidents of District 3141, to how they can take this year ahead as a challenge and an opportunity to prove themselves, because more or less presidential year comes only once, and this is the time when you can let people know what are you made of. So Lata, something from your end now.
Yes, as you said, we are a prestigious district, and our club is also a prestigious club in 3141. My predecessors have done great job, and it is a real responsibility, a real big shoe to fit in for me. And my club people have confidence in me, I guess. So they have asked me to lead the club. And with Vanmali at home and with my club members who are all very close friends to me, I'm not really worried because I will be taking everybody along. My way of working is maybe little different, but I will make sure that everybody does their work. I cannot do, I mean, I'm not qualified to do everything. I can only lead them, enthuse them, make them do, and I want to get the best out of every member in our club. Our member has a huge uh, storehouse of knowledge. So I would like to take everybody along, make sure that uh, they do their best. So if everybody does their his or her best, I'm sure the club does very well. As
Fantastic.
of yeah, my dream is for vision for this club for this year is of course to do something for the COVID situation. Those are jobless. We would like to make sure that they are getting some job somewhere so that they do not go hungry, their family doesn't go hungry. That is the most important. Secondly, as an educator, I always, I cannot see youngsters whiling away their time without making use of their energy in a proper way. So we are planning to start a vocational center where you can reskill the youngsters so that they are trained to do something so that they can earn money, they can take care of their families instead of, wasting their time doing something wrong. This is one thing. Another thing also, I always feel very sad for the women in the slum and villages who are having a struggle to, go carry on their livelihood. And they are also in a way victims of situation. So educating them or giving them training in some way where they can earn their living is also on my plate. So we are trying to work towards it.
So these are some lovely projects, I think so, and you have shown signs of a true leader because you cannot do everything, and if we have to achieve success, it is going to be only by teamwork. And that is what we also have been guiding during the pre-PET, during the PETs, during GPA.
Yes.
But leave aside this training, your experience as a teacher also knows that if everyone does their work properly, yes, the results are guaranteed. So I'm so happy, Lata, that your mind is clear, you have your ideas, there's a lot of clarity in thoughts, and I'm sure you're going to execute it to the best possible manner. Thank you, Lata. It has been a thorough pleasure having you with us on this talk show. Your views and your confidence is so contagious. I am also inspired by you, and I'm sure that with you leading the club, Bombay Powai, and many other presidents doing the same for their own clubs, overall Rotary District 3141 will do something exceptional in 2021. Thank you so much for your presence. Blessed to have you with us over here.
Thank you so much. All the best to you also. Bye bye.